Right, wow, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, talking about what do you think about it, lockdown media exactly in Asia, right? I would want to give it two advantages and disadvantages. For the advantages, what? Very God stay for, for keep standing for the people, then just keep it home, that can be closing with your family right in the home. And then like other people like me, that will increase my languages and then improve, the history, and then to increase, like obviously for learning English, very like this to onward. But disadvantages for, the lockdown in Aceh, exactly, look the road around, look, if like every village in Banda Aceh at a time, since almost 2 weeks, 1 week, almost, 75% in Banda Aceh, look the road, look the village. Outsider couldn't come that village. When that village, gonna be quarantined. We are refused for outsider get in our village. So can go away, don't have to get my village because when I got that feeling of bringing the virus, can manage that. I do believe coronavirus doesn't, dangerous than, SARS, it's only 2 weeks or 15 days, 14 days. After got fever, and then got cough, what? Coronavirus most dangerous thing is old people when they got 80 or, 100 years old or 70 years old get hit by coronavirus, like in Italy. Elderly people, the old people get died just because they got, like cancer, lung, bad, like cancer attack, heart attack, that's because they hit by coronavirus. Like our teenagers, young man, that like 35 years old and then 50 years old, they don't have hit by coronavirus now. Just because, lockdown is I do a support for government because there's lockdown, but how do we keep it German? Every single month they got salary, but how do the poor people? They have to work every single day, eat a ton of work, eat anything. Can you imagine that? Poor people need, per day is very small, really just 40,000. 40,000, what? It's very important. But how many children do you got? How many daughters and sons you got in your house? What? So how do you feed them? If you don't work in 1 month, so what will you do? Because the coronavirus doesn't anything about supermarket, mall, a lot of business, almost in Indonesia, every single company in Indonesia, they are fired their employees, and then they're cutting the salary. So what the government do? So the important thing, I do support for governor, but governor have been give a little bit food or help them. That's the important thing. And then just pray to God, coronavirus how much be gone, and then can work as usual, like tourism, falling down, no one visitor to Aceh, no one know about Aceh is hit by coronavirus. Alright, that's my tab. I think that's Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.